Hello, my name is Teacher Mindy. I am from the USA. I am a certified teacher from kindergarten to sixth grade, and I have taught for 10 years as a teacher in an elementary school. When I heard about the VIP Kid School Class Project, I was so excited. I have recently come home and left the classroom, and so that left me wanting to teach, and I found that opportunity with VIP Kid. When I saw the chance to teach an entire class, I could not believe it. I was so excited. I love being able to share my culture, share my education, and share my love of learning with a whole class of students. VIP Kid is amazing and has been such a good thing for me and my family. I only hope to be able to spread that wealth and that love with an entire group of students. If you choose me, I am willing to work 2 to 4 classes per week, and I feel like that's just the beginning. I'd love to find this opportunity to teach whole classes of students whenever I can. If you choose me, you won't go wrong. Thank you so much for this opportunity, VIP Kid. Me and Monkey are very excited to spend even more time with even more children in China. Thank you. Bye.